When would you say you became an entrepreneur?
I think that happened while I was an engineer here, because I saw the opportunities to try something, and it wouldn't take big investment. I was making new friends and then talking about ideas with those people and seeing other people as well being entrepreneurial. So it was inspiring to be around those people, even if you didn't know them, just see them doing it.
Hello Vietnamese manufacturing fans. Today I would like to introduce you to Stuart. He's a fellow entrepreneur who has built a business and started a family here in Vietnam. If you need tips or tricks or advice on how to run a business in Vietnam and how to manage your family, we can help you. Reach out to either me or Stuart. Enjoy his story.
And how did you get to Vietnam?
I was at university in England in a lovely city called Newcastle, and I studied engineering, mechanical materials and manufacturing engineering, but I surprised myself by completing everything after 5 years and getting a master's in materials engineering, which I wouldn't have ever dreamt of. I just managed to, concentrate, understand it and get through the degree and get the master's. And then I worked in England for about 7 years in professional industries, fun and exciting, challenging, and lots of new things, and moved more into managerial roles. And I had an opportunity to come here because I was finished a job in England and I was looking for my next job, and the opportunity came to visit here. I fell in love with Vietnam like a lot of people do. It was a case of just coming over when the time was right, a few months later, and I actually walked into a job more or less straight away, and that pulled me into the construction industry here. I did 3 years